What if I told you there's a better way to track your food than just counting calories? It's called macro counting, and it's the secret that bodybuilders, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts have been using for years. If you've ever wondered what are macros or how to actually count them, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. First things first, what are macros? Macros is short for macronutrients, and they're the three main nutrients that give your body energy. There are only three macros you need to know. Number one, protein. This builds and repairs your muscles, keeps you full longer, and is found in chicken, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt. Number two, carbohydrates. These are your body's main fuel source, especially for workouts. Think rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables. And number three, fats. Healthy fats support hormone production, help absorb vitamins, and keep you satisfied. You'll find these in avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. Every single food you eat contains one or more of these macros, and when you count them, you get a much clearer picture of what you're actually putting in your body. So why count macros instead of just calories? Great question. Here's the thing. Not all calories are created equal. You could eat 2,000 calories of pizza and donuts, or 2,000 calories of lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Same calories, but totally different impact on your body, right? Macro counting helps you understand where your calories are coming from. 1 gram of protein equals 4 calories. 1 gram of carbs also equals 4 calories. But 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories, more than double. When you track your macros, you ensure you're getting enough protein to build muscle, enough carbs for energy, and enough healthy fats for your hormones. It's like upgrading from a basic calculator to a smartphone. Way more information, way better results. All right, ready to learn how to count macros? Let's do this. Step 1. Calculate your daily calorie needs. You need to know your BMR. That's your basal metabolic rate, or how many calories your body burns just existing. Then multiply it by your activity level. For example, if you're lightly active, working out 1 to 3 days a week, multiply your BMR by 1.375. If you're moderately active, exercising 3 to 5 days a week, multiply by 1.55. Very active? That's 1.725. This gives you your TDEE, total daily energy expenditure. That's how many calories you need to maintain your current weight. Want to lose weight? Subtract 300 to 500 calories. Want to gain muscle? Add 200 to 300 calories. Step 2. Set your macro ratios. This is where it gets personalized. A typical macro split might be 45 to 65% carbs, 20 to 35% fats, and 10 to 35% protein. But if you're trying to lose weight and build muscle, you might go with 40% carbs, 30% protein, and 30% fat. This higher protein ratio keeps you full and helps preserve muscle while you're in a calorie deficit. Let's do a quick example. Say you're eating 2,000 calories daily with a 40-30-30 split. That's 800 calories from carbs, 600 from protein, and 600 from fat. Now convert to grams. 800 divided by 4 equals 200 grams of carbs. 600 divided by 4 equals 150 grams of protein. And 600 divided by 9 equals about 67 grams of fat. Boom. Those are your daily macro targets. Step 3. Track everything. This is where apps like MyFitnessPal become your best friend. Most have barcode scanners. Just scan your food and it automatically logs your macros. Super easy. You can also use a food journal if you prefer going old school, but apps definitely make life easier. The key is consistency. Track everything you eat for at least a few weeks to really understand your eating patterns. And here's a pro tip: meal prep. When you prepare your meals in advance and know their exact macro breakdown, hitting your targets becomes so much simpler. You're not guessing or scrambling at the last minute. So what are the actual benefits of counting macros? First, better food quality. When you're paying attention to protein, carbs, and fats, you naturally start choosing more whole foods over processed junk. You realize that chicken breast and broccoli keep you fuller way longer than a candy bar with the same calories. Second, it helps you lose weight sustainably. You're not eliminating entire food groups or starving yourself. You can still enjoy treats as long as they fit your macros. And third, you can customize it to your goals. Want to build muscle? Increase protein. Training for a marathon? Bump up those carbs. It's completely flexible and adaptable to what you need. However, I'll be honest, macro counting isn't for everyone. If you have a history of disordered eating or find tracking stressful, this might not be the best approach for you. Always prioritize your mental health. Now, if you're counting macros but want an extra boost to accelerate your results, check out PhenQ. It's a natural weight loss supplement that helps increase your metabolism and burn fat faster, so you can reach your fitness goals even quicker. PhenQ works alongside a healthy diet and macro tracking to maximize your results. If you're interested in learning more, I'll drop a link in the description below. And there you have it. You now know what macros are, why they matter, and exactly how to count them for weight loss or muscle gain. Remember, it's all about protein, carbs, and fats, not just total calories. Start simple. Calculate your needs, set your ratios, and track consistently. Give it a few weeks and I promise you'll start seeing results. If this video helped you understand macro counting, smash that like button and subscribe for more nutrition and fitness tips. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you going to try counting macros? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.